Hi friends. I will discuss about some people are saying they can't access the bot after purchasing. Don't worry, the problem might be that your DERIV API key has expired. Here, I'll provide a solution if you still can't access the bot after a few minutes. If you complete purchase, click Access Bot. In here, click Authenticate button. Watch and learn. This is must fresh your API keys. Go to DERIV web or application in your phone. Go to Manage Account Setting. In Security and Safety, click API Token. Here displays two API keys that have been used before or expired API key. This star sensor indicates that the API keys have expired and will not work. You need to regenerate and fresh API keys. You only need to check the 3 columns and give it a random name. New API keys have been created here. Click Show Token and see there is no star sensor here, and this is API keys is still fresh and working. Copy API keys and back, go to bot website. Drop new API keys here and click Confirm. See, new API key 6 is connect. Now just running bot. I always suggest you don't use all your balance for your first trade. Use at least 10% of your balance or less to avoid losses. I think that's enough for now. Thank you, friend. I hope this video helps your problem.